Hello friends, I'm sure you are doing great. Friends, today I wish to discuss one very interesting and useful function in Excel, and that is to find the difference between two dates. Many times we need to find a difference between 2 days for many purposes. And interestingly, in Excel, there are formulas which facilitate that very quickly and easily. Okay, so let us discuss that in detail. Okay, friends, suppose I have these two dates and I want to find the difference between 2 days. Uh, so how can I do that? Okay, first ensure that simply click on the right click, format cells, and ensure that the format of date is date format. So format should be date, and you can select any of these options for date format. Similarly, this date also should have a date format. Okay. Now, suppose I want to find the difference between these 2 days. So I can find that in number of days. Okay. Okay. Like say is equal to dated if. I'll simply click on this first, comma, this, put D here, and bracket complete. Friends, please note this formula very well. Dated if A3, B3, D in inverted comma. So I will get number of days in difference. What's the problem? Is equal to dated if this okay. Friends, please note the formula. So it is a dated if A3, B3 and D into inverted comma. So in that way I can get the number of days difference between these two dates. Okay, suppose in the similar way I want to find how many number of months there is a difference between these two dates. I'll simply do that is equal to dated if A3 B3, put M here, okay, dated if A3 comma B3 M, simply enter. So you'll get the number of months difference. In the similarly you can find the number of years difference. Dated if this comma this comma. Okay, friends, in this way you can get a difference between 2 days in the form of number of days, in the form of number of months, in the form of number of years. Yes, but here the problem is that you cannot get exact proper picture if you find it in number of months, because you cannot find the number of days which are less than month. So it is only showing 13 months. Similarly here it shows only 1 year, but it ignores the days which are in addition to 1 year. So there is one more thing in Excel that facilitates. I'll show that number of additional months in addition to year. Okay, so how it goes is equal to dated if this comma this comma, if I put here y month, ym, see ym, okay. So here it will give me the additional months which are in addition to year. So here, in addition to year, there is 1 month also. Can you get that? This is much more than 1 year, even more than 1 year plus 1 month. So it is giving me the additional months which it contains, like it contains 1 month in addition to 1 year. Similarly, number of days in addition to month. So is equal to dated if this comma this comma, I'll put here MD. So it will give me additional day even in addition to month also. So basically this contains 1 year, 1 month and 1 day. In that way we can calculate. So friends, if I want to automate this, I want to find this in the form of year, month and days. So how exactly I calculate that? Okay. So here there is little bit complicated formula. There is a trick through which trick and combination of formulas through which I can achieve this. Okay. So what I'll do is equal to dated if this comma this. I'll simply put y here. Fair enough. Okay. Now I want to find additional months in this. Okay. So please check the formula very well. It is little bit complicated formula, but if you pay attention, you can very well grasp that. Is equal to if this is more than or equal to 1, then dated if this ym. So friends, so if this is more than or equal to 1, then I will consider it as ym, else dated if this m. I'll complete this bracket. I will complete this bracket of if. You can very well note down the formula and I will enter. So it will give me additional 1 month, right? Now I want to find in days also. Okay. So friends, this is little more complicated, but you will understand it. Please pay attention. Is equal to if or this is more than or equal to 1 or this is more than or equal to 1 So friends, if either of these two is more than or is equal to 1, then dated if this here it will be MD. So friends, if either of these two conditions are fulfilled, then I will consider it as MD, else dated if this I'll consider only D. Bracket complete. I will complete this bracket of if also. Friends, you can note down the formula very well. See, it's not much difficult as you are thinking. See, if both of these are either 1 or more than 1, then I will consider it as MD, else I will consider it as only as a D. Please note the formula very well. Okay, I will click on enter. Yes. So in this way I can get the date difference in the form of years, months and dates. Okay friends, now let's cross check. Now if I'm making it only as 16, then see friends, it is showing 1 month, 1 days, right? 1 month and 1 day. If it is okay, if I make it as 30th of December 2015, then see friends, here there is 0 month, 0 year. It is showing difference of only 2 days. You can get it here also. Okay, suppose if I make it exactly 1 year, let me 28th of December 30th of I will make it 2016. So friends, it is giving me 1 year plus 2 days, 368 days. 1 year plus 2 days, because 2016 is a leap year. So friends, in this way you can find a date difference between 2 days in the form of year, month or days, or you can either find in the form of days also. That is very easy like this. So friends, I hope this video was useful to you, and I guess you must have even learned how to use if function or function also. So friends, if you really found this video as useful, then please click on like button and also subscribe to my channel, so that you will have access to the videos which will be uploaded in future also. Thank you.